So, how many photos or videos do you have on your phone or your laptop right now? Hi everyone, this is Shrini.
This is Shreya.
Welcome to Yappuccino.
Yappuccino is a place where we sit, have coffee, and talk about anything and everything that's on our minds and gossip a little bit.
Let's start our Yap sesh. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi. Oh my god, on my phone around like 9-10K, and so I keep like transferring like after some time to my laptop and my cloud and everything. But I do think I have a very massive amount of photos. I mean,
I have like 3K photos on my phone, but that is also because recently while we were researching for this video, I was like, maybe I should declutter it a little.
Oh yeah.
So I didn't delete anything, but I shifted everything to sort of my laptop. And my laptop has 60 GB worth of photos. I don't know how many there are, but then those 60 GB is also from like a few years, some childhood photos also, but that's like the total thing. So
I think I have like a lot. I have like 100 GB in my iCloud storage. I have like so much like old childhood stuff. Like there's a separate folder for my Snapchat, a separate folder for my like college. There's a separate Google Photos backup. I have like a lot of shit. And I mean, it's impossible to clean it up. I have been planning. I'll tell you when I was. There's a particular list I made at the beginning of 2025, and one of the key things that was not like a day-to-day to-do list. It was just more like a general overall life thing. And one of the things that I had written was clear and manage galleries and like photos, and that was unchecked because I still have not got it. It's impossible to do it. I mean, you can do the basics when you like go to an event or go to a vacation and clean up the basic photos, but I have so much junk, digital junk. It's insane.
So, I have digital junk, of course, but I try not to keep it that much on my phone. Like, abhi just on 31st or 30th, I decided that I'll just clear up my phone a little because there was no storage. So I put all the vacation pics, all the random outing pics we had, and the trip we went on to Mumbai in the start of last year. So I cleaned photos from then to 2025, start of 2025 to 2025 end, and I put it all on my laptop in a proper folder called Photos from 2025. And then there are 3 different folders from 2022, 2023, 2024 also. So I have all the photos, and the issue is that I am trying to do like I was just trying to make some Insta posts, some fun posts 2025, and I wanted some cool pictures. But I have so many photos that I cannot find that one photo which I actually want, which I have in my head, but I cannot find it. And when I found it, there are 10 photos of the same type, and I'm like, which one is it? So I just never ended up making that fun Insta post because it's so much. How can I find that one photo?
Right now, there's a lot of this social media trend going on because of the New Year. The still waiting to post my January 2025 meme dump, which is so true. We went on like so many I went on like 2-3 vacations this year. And I haven't like properly posted any of it, even though I took like a million photos and it was so much, and I took great photos, but it's just so overwhelming, the process of just, and it's not even like I need to edit anything. I don't edit my photos anymore. Thankfully, I'm over that. Like that was an insane time to be in. But I mean, it's just so overwhelming opening your phone, like seeing thousands of photos, and you have to manage your storage. And photos is just, I think, one part of the social, like digital, like junk. There's like social media. I mean, the other day I was just going on my Instagram, saved, and it's like, oh my god, I have so much junk saved. Like
I also did that, and most of the videos were educational or informative, and I was like, right now I don't feel like it, but I'll watch it because it's important. And I never watched it. And then while I was cleaning it, and I was like, it's not that educational. Hatao. And the same thing happens with my YouTube. My YouTube has had 300-400 watch later videos, which I then cleaned, and they are now down to 30. Which I will probably clean because I will not watch them.
So I am very vigilant about my YouTube. I don't have any watch later video. I have a very clear mechanism. When I don't want to watch something, I put it in watch, and then I watch it and I clear it up. I'm very vigilant about my YouTube. But for my Instagram, I have multiple accounts, right? Like one is my fashion thing, one is my personal, like so much, and like there's like hundreds and thousands of saved things in every one. And like it's always some stupid meme. that was too relatable, or some recipe, or some event to go to, something educational. Like there's so much random junk, some pretty aesthetic
Yeah.
photo. So there's
Sometimes
always,
what
yeah,
I do to save is I send it to your account,
to say, yeah.
or I make you send it to my account. Okay, save it here, and then I don't open
But
the
that's
chat
also
for
impossible.
days.
Who remembers?
Yeah, and I never
like,
open
it's
the
impossible to
chat.
find something in our chat because we have like 20 reels a day.
I was seeing this one thing that a lot of people follow this, that all the digital hoarding or the hoarding they've done, if you don't need it in 1 year, you should probably get rid of it.
Of course, and that's I think a lot true for
Yeah.
physical things also.
Yeah, but I think for photos, you don't need those photos in that
Yeah.
span of 1 year, but you're just keeping them for memory.
Memories.
But definitely, you have like 10 photos of the same kind, you
Yeah,
can probably
just
end up
delete
deleting
the
it.
duplicates.
But
yeah.
then I don't know. It's like, oh, what if I need that 1 degree angle
Yeah,
tilt photo,
I
especially which is
know.
like this.
And
So
you know, I'll tell you one thing that I've realized, that I used to have much less digital junk when I had an Android.
oh,
Because
what?
I was just, the quality of photos was not that good. Like I remember, I just would
I
not
mean,
take
yeah,
it.
I have an Android, so most of the photos I have are from her phone,
Yeah.
which I easily find
And
on
the
WhatsApp.
worst part is, on Apple there's this live photo, right? So it's so difficult to delete it. Like,
Yeah,
you know,
it's a
Android with
memory
yeah,
moment.
it's just like one photo, and there's a whole moment behind that live photo which I just don't want to delete.
Yeah, and I've seen that you can apparently convert those selection of live photos into a small video.
yeah,
also.
you can do that.
So
So I mean, it's just
what
like
if you need to
massive.
make it a video
Yeah,
someday?
you can't do that. You can't. It's so difficult to delete stuff.
Yeah, I mean it's difficult letting
Yeah.
go of all it, because it's like, what if is
Yeah.
there? What if you
Yeah.
regret it?
Hmm.
What if you need that one photo? What if
Yeah.
you need it for something?
Hmm.
And usually you never need it, but like, what if,
Just-
what if? So there's always this thing.
There's this term, right? Emotional support screenshot.
Yeah.
There's also this amazing meme. Maybe the real friends were the screenshots we
Yeah,
saved along
true.
the way, which
But
is
I'm not a
amazing.
screenshots person.
I
I
used
don't
to
take.
be a lot.
But now, because it's so convenient, you like something, you save it on Insta. You don't need to take a
But I think
screenshot.
if it's something very important or something just that hits me, it's mostly something that like static, right? You can't screenshot a video.
Yeah.
If I read a quote that I really like or something that I really like, I would screenshot it, because a screenshot is more visible to me. I can see it in my folder. I can get back to it. I can copy the text from it and save it somewhere else. So I am also, I think, fairly vigilant about my screenshots. I do clear up my screenshots folder.
I have screenshots of the matter. And I
God
have
knows
some
why.
random screenshots of some job openings, but that's majorly it. And it's just random things which I will end up deleting. I have some cute Pinteresty things saved,
Yeah.
but that's about it. I'm
Yeah.
not a big screenshots
I'm
person.
also not, but actually I'm a screenshot person, but I just clear them up very often, and most of the time I screenshot like for my page and it's fashion stuff. The problem is that my one phone is like, it has everything, my personal shit. It has all my magazine shit. It has all my personal like fashion page. It is like one device is holding like so many facets that it's impossible to manage it, but I do try to. But I think I'm okay with almost everything, but just the photos like really annoy me. Just the bulk of photos that I have.
One thing I always have trouble finding is a passport photo, because I have taken a digital version of my passport photo and I've put it on my laptop, and I can never find it in time. Never. It has taken me 2-3 hours to find one photo, and it's still on the same spot which I don't remember. So
Yeah.
there's no point holding things if they're not of use anymore.
Yeah.
But when I do put things on my laptop, it does give me like a
Sense of control.
yeah, control, illusion of like fresh start. Oh,
Yeah.
2025 is out of my phone now, so
Yeah.
2026, fresh start.
Yeah. No,
You
that's
know,
true.
that kind of thing.
That's definitely true. I think it does. I think cleaning up my devices and just cleaning up anything that is digital, I think does give me, because we live so much digitally, right?
Mhm.
Like friends are online, everything is online, work is online. So I think
Yeah.
cleaning that up definitely gives us a sort of illusion of control.
Yeah.
And you managed it. And I think digital cleanup is on the wish list for a lot of people when the new year comes.
Yeah.
And I just try to make it a point that I try to do it almost every year.
Yeah, I think I majorly did it this year because we were going to record this video, and I was like,
okay.
it's like it was like a reminder. But otherwise, I don't really remember it.
Hmm.
But one more thing I just remembered, we went to Thailand this year, and we went to this Michelin star restaurant thing.
Hmm.
So I was just curious about how a Michelin star, how do you get it, and all of that. And I saved 10 YouTube videos on it.
Hmm.
And I thought I'll watch it later, because like right now I don't want to get so much education now. And I thought I was like, learning something. I gave myself that illusion of learning, and I never watched them ever again. I
Yeah.
watched. In fact, I went and read the article, but I couldn't bring myself to watch 10 videos on the same topic.
Yeah.
So there's no point
I think you can
really.
only watch 10 videos on the same topic when you need, like, if I need to know, like, how to buy this insurance,
Yeah.
or maybe which car is a better model, I will watch it. But if it's
I have
something
3
educational,
health insurance videos
Yeah.
saved right now.
but no, when
which
the
I
moment
thought-
will come that you'll need to watch it, you will watch them because it's just a life necessity, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if your laptop is stuck and you're trying to fix it, you will
Yeah,
watch
you will
whatever
watch
video.
it,
You will
yeah.
watch 20 videos to fix
that
your laptop.
happens to me literally every other
So
day because
I mean,
my
when you
laptop
need
is
to
at
watch
a
it, you
dying
will watch it.
stage.
It's just like
True.
it's the thing that I'll learn about it and I'll save it. It's just never happens.
But do you also hoard like physically instead of digitally at times?
I think not as much. I just keep certain. I have a notebook of all my scraps and junks.
Yeah.
But I don't. I don't
made
think
a
I
folder
hold.
which
And
I
I
have
think
all.
I clean my room pretty
Huh.
often and everything, so I'm pretty clean.
I
with
also don't
that.
have a lot of physical things to hold on to, but the only things I have are like concert bands,
Yeah.
the
I think
tickets
that's
to random
amazing,
things.
right? That's very
So
important.
that
to
is
save.
majorly it, and it's just one A4 folder which is stuff
Yeah.
of it. So that much is, I think, fair. It's
And I think
okay.
you should really
Some
need,
memories,
like,
so
yeah,
you need at
definitely. And I
least.
think you should definitely record because
Yeah.
you need like some physical keepsakes, right? I mean, not everything can be digital.
That's
But
true.
I think I think that's about it, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it's not something that you can like really take a lesson away from because we are obviously like people used to like hoard so much when internet was not there physically. They have
Yeah.
collecting hobbies or whatever. I mean, people still do that, but digital is such a big part of like that. Eventually, it's going to pile up. And we
Yeah.
just need to make sure that we. Because we have to overpay, right? I mean, like, the more data you have, because
More
you have to cloud, you
storage.
have to buy. I had to buy like a subscription. It was so
Yeah.
annoying.
You know,
And you need to pay for and privacy issues. Like, why do you want to just clean up everything? Why do you want to overpay and then have the risk of your data being out there?
one more thing,
Hmm.
just remember, which I do hoard, are my notes. Notes app. I have notes from like 4 years ago, and it's
Oh.
probably a list of dhania nimbu or something.
Oh.
So I don't clean up my notes at all.
Hmm.
So that is one thing which I definitely do need to clean it up. But because there's just so many, it's impossible to
Yeah.
go through them
I
at this
know.
point. Notes, social media, gallery, everywhere you can just hoard, and it's all cool.
And like
because
everything is
there's
like
so much
email
storage
cleanup is a
now.
part of this.
Oh, I have
Yeah.
never cleaned up
Oh,
my
I
email.
have.
I have never. And now I go get all these useless advertisements, marketing mails that I
Yeah.
do need to clean them up. But then
Yeah.
it's so inconvenient. There's 50 mails only, and then you have to go to the next page to delete
Yeah,
it.
you
na?
can just there's a couple of hacks you can use to do that.
Oh.
But I think it's very important to do that.
Hmm.
But I think the guys take this as a quick
Reminder.
reminder to clean up your digital.
2026
It's
digital
here now,
cleanup.
so clean up and I mean
Yeah.
yeah.
I think, yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.